Hello everyone, I'm gonna tell you about the material of volcano. First is magma. Magma is a liquid inside the mantle. Second is erupts. Erupts is when the liquid comes out and the liquid calls lava. The last one is ash. Ash is a dangerous cloud.
Hello, my name is Nirindu. I will tell you about volcano material. Magma is the liquid found inside the volcano. Erupt is explosion. Lava is magma that comes out from the volcano. Ash is tiny hard pieces of rock that erupt. Thank you.